Camp Curry. And there's Half Dome. Yeah. We were checking in late at Curry Village after sunset. This place is where tents are. That's the parking lot.
5:15 right now.
5:15. Sunset is early here, and our tents are over here.
Okay.
Right?
Right, this is the inside of the tent. It's actually pretty nice, and it's heated, so it's warm. But there's no bathroom, of course. See, there's a heater, and one double bed, and two single beds. Alright, so we actually came back to the base camp eatery because the one at the Curry Village, there's only outside seating, and it was pretty cold outside, so we want to eat inside, and then we went to the other restaurant in Yosemite Valley Lodge, but it was a little bit pricey for us, so we came back here again, the same place we ate the lunch. So we got these, like kind of like a Panda Express. You get to choose like 2 items with a tea and a cookie. This was like $35. And the kids got burgers, 2 burgers, 2 French fries. So about like 20 bucks. So our dinner is like 55 bucks. It's not so bad in the national park. So this is the Curry Village Lounge. And then we just found out we were able to bring the food inside of the lounge and could have dinner here instead of like traveling to Yosemite Valley Lodge, which is like 7 minutes by drive from Curry Village to Yosemite Valley Lodge. And this lounge closed at 10 o'clock, but they have Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi for 24 hours. So after they close the lodge, the lounge, you just stay outside, get the Wi-Fi, and you can visit. It's nice.
There's the restroom. Bye.